welcome to Draw with B. Today we are doing my favorite alicorn of all times, Twilight Sparkle. Let's get started. Get your art supplies ready, your erasable pens, pencils, markers, whatever you would like to use. So first things first, we're going to start with beautiful Twilight's head. We're going to do a curve and we're going to do a curve just like that. That's going to be her fringe. Then what we're going to do at this end, we're going to just bring it down a little bit more, and then we're going to do the first, second, then we're going to bring it down a little bit, and then this is going to be coming across up to her horn. So the horn is going to stick out just here, bring it up, slightly curve it, and bring it down. Just like that. We'll finish the rest later. Let's do the rest of her fringe. Bring this bit down like this. Then what we're going to do from this point is just flick it just like that. Then this bit here is going to come around because that's going to be her ear. First ear, do a slight curve up to the top, then bring it down just like that. We've got a line there. And then we've got a little squiggle in there. Wonderful. Next thing what we're going to do is we're going to do her wings just up here. So we're going to do the first bit, bring it up a little bit higher, one, then the next one, up, and then down. That's just going to sit just behind her horn, so that's great. Then what we're going to do is follow her face all the way down and do the rest of her hair. So this bit here, what we're going to do is her hair, just slight line there. Then we're going to bring it down just like that. Then we're going to do the other side because I want to make sure that her head is just the right shape. And she is the cutest alicorn of all times. I love Twilight. Then what we're going to do is we're just going to bring that little bit down there and we'll do the rest of her hair later. Now that this bit's come, what we're going to do is a little line just like that. And then this in here will be her eye. So what I'm going to do is just go like that, and then we can finish that bit later. Then what I'm going to do is finish this bit by bringing this down just like that. Lovely. Then what we can do is her little nostril and a super cute smile. Then with this part here, this is her other beautiful eye. So what I'm going to do is start from the top here, curve it down, then from this point, bring it all the way up. Oh, beautiful. That's her other eye, which looks amazing. She's got a bit of a thicker black line there, so that's what we'll do there. We'll also do a bit of a thicker black line here, which is also where her eyelashes go. Then what she's got here are 3 eyelashes, 1, 2, 3. Then she's got 3 up here. So we're going to do 1, 2, 3. You can make them as long as you like. Then we're going to do the inside of her eye. So we're going to bring it down. We're not going to touch all the way to the side. We're just going to go just that much like that. Then big circle, and then a little one for the other reflection. Then on this side, we're going to do the same. So she's looking to the side, and then what we've got is a big reflection, just like that. And then another one here. Amazing. 1, 2, 3 eyelashes. And then bring this up a little bit. What I also want to do is bring her fringe line down because it actually touches the top of her eye. So I'm going to use my erasable pen and bring it down just slightly. So with this bit here, just like that, because it actually covers her part of her eye there. Next, what we're going to do is the rest of her body, which will be amazing. Let's start here, bringing her hairline down, nice little line, and down like that. Then up at this side is going to be where her wing is. So we're going to do a slight curve and then up. We want to make sure that these wings look amazingly beautiful. So we're going to do 1, 2, bring it slightly out here, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Lovely. Then what we're going to do is a curve from here all the way to the top, and then we're going to join it in the middle. 1, 2, 3, 4. How lovely is that? She's coming along very nicely. Next, what we're going to do is bring this line just a little bit more forward. I think that definitely needs to come a little bit more forward, and then we're going to do this part of her neck. So we're going to curve it and bring it out. Then on this side, we're going to finish her wings because we've got 2 bits up here. So the next bit is going to be here. And then we've got another one coming along here. Bring it around. Then we've got another bit, and another bit. And then we've got some inside of the wings here. So we've got 1, 2, 3. Doesn't she look beautiful? I love Twilight. All right, so next what we're going to do is bring her hair down. So it comes to here, and then she's got a slight little gap, just like that. Then she's got this bit going down just like that, and then we can join the 2. Amazing. Then what we've got next is, we'll just bring that wing up a little bit. Then what we need to do is her lovely legs. So we've got one that comes down here. We're not going to do the rest of that just yet because we need to do this one coming forward. So we've got one here, curved line, next one, just like that. Amazing. Put this little leg behind it. And then bring this one forward and join the 2 together. Oh, doesn't she look gorgeous? So we've got that first. Let's put that little line in there. Then what we've got here is we've got to do her little belly, do a line. Then next, what we've got is this part here. Bring that down. You know what I need to do? I need to bring this line down. Doesn't look right. Bring that down. Then we've got her leg, because otherwise her leg will just look so funny. This line down, then do like a little Z there. Leg. Then what we need to do is curve this in and bring it down. Amazing. Just like that. And then we've got a back leg. One, another Z that we've got happening here. Down. And then bring her leg in like that. Oh, Doesn't that look great? I love Twilight Sparkle. She's looking pretty good. Next, what we're going to do is, we've done both wings, done her horn, got her fringe. What else does she need? She needs a tail. Let's get this happening. Do a little curved line there. Then from up here, we're going to bring it all the way down, just like that. And then we're going to extend it through, and then it comes out the other side here. Line up, in, line up, in. She just looks truly amazing. Amazing. I love her. I think she looks super cool. What we will also do is do her cutie mark as well, because I think that's really important. Twilight definitely needs her cutie mark. So I will be doing that when I color her in and making everything look truly amazing. So I will fast forward this bit and I will see you soon. Hello everyone, we've finished colouring Twilight. I think she looks super cool. Now it's time to add some magic touches. Glitter pens, you have to have glitter pens for Twilight because she is a magic unicorn. I'm going to add some amazing purple glitter pen to her hair because every alicorn should have sparkles. And her name is Twilight Sparkle, so we have to add sparkle. Now we've coloured that bit in there. We put that bit in here. Oh, she just looks absolutely amazing. I have had such an awesome time colouring this lady in. I think she looks super cool. Last touch, I am going to add pink to her beautiful cutie mark because I think that definitely needs a bit of sparkle as well. And I think that looks just so amazing. Thank you for joining me today. Please see more videos coming shortly. There's going to be a lot more unicorns and magical drawings coming up soon. So have a great day. Happy drawing. I'll see you soon.